Hello children, in today's lecture I will discuss about redistribution of charges between two conductors. I discussed in the very first lecture, means at the beginning of starting the chapter, that charges are distributed, means charge gets transferred from one body to the other body. It depends upon the size of the conductor. So today I will discuss about that. Suppose you have two conductors. Suppose this is a conductor and this is another conductor. Charge on this conductor is Q1 and charge on this conductor is Q2. It is at potential V1 and it is at potential V2. Its capacitance is C1, its capacitance is C2. V1 is greater than V2. Let V1 is greater than V2. Then what will happen? If you will connect these two conductors with different capacities at different potentials, redistribution of charges will take place. Redistribution of charges will take place. Means the charge will start flowing from a body at higher potential to the body at lower potential. Here I have taken C1 at higher potential V1 and C2 at lower potential V2. So whenever you will connect these two conductors, charge will start flowing, start moving from Q1 to Q2. And if it will lose positive charge, its potential will start decreasing. And it will gain positive charge, means its potential will start increasing. There will be a situation in which both the conductors will acquire same potential. That potential is called common potential. And when both the interacting conductors acquire a common potential, then redistribution of charges stops. So let us discuss this phenomena mathematically. Suppose Q1 and Q2 are the charges on the two conductors. So what will be the values? You know, Q1 is equal to C1 V1 because Q is equal to CV, and Q2 is equal to C2 V2. Let us connect the two conductors through a wire. Means when the two conductors are connected through a conducting wire. You see what will happen. Then the charge upon them are, suppose it is Q1 dash C1 and potential has become V. Q2 dash is equal to C2V. Here V is the common potential. V is the common potential. Because redistribution of charges takes place till they acquire a common potential V. You know principle of conservation of charges. So according to principle of conservation of charges, according to the principle of conservation of charges. What will happen? Q1 plus Q2 means total charge before the redistribution is equal to total charge after the redistribution, Q1 dash plus Q2 dash. You see, Q1 is C1 V1 plus Q2 is C2 V2, Q1 dash is C1 V and Q2 dash is C2 V. So you can get a common potential V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2. This is the expression for common potential obtained by the two conductors after redistribution of charges. So I think you understand all these things.